This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Watch hand gestures. These innovative features allow you to control your watch with simple movements of your hand, making interaction more convenient and accessible. We'll cover the basics of enabling and using these gestures, transforming how you navigate your device. Get ready to discover a new level of hands-free control, perfect for when your other hand is busy or unavailable. It's a truly intuitive way to interact with your Apple Watch. The double tap gesture is incredibly versatile. Simply tap your index finger and thumb together twice, quickly. This action can answer calls, dismiss notifications, play or pause music, and even scroll through smart stack widgets. It's designed for one-handed use, offering a seamless way to manage common tasks without touching the screen. Imagine answering a call while carrying groceries. It's that easy and efficient, saving you precious seconds throughout your day. Beyond the double tap, the pinch gesture offers another layer of control. A single pinch, where you tap your index finger and thumb together once, can advance through notifications or scroll content. A double pinch, similar to the double tap but with a single pinch motion, might activate a primary action within an app. These gestures provide a subtle yet powerful way to interact, giving you more command over your watch with minimal effort and maximum convenience. To truly master these gestures, explore the accessibility settings on your Apple Watch. You can customize the sensitivity and even assign specific actions to different gestures, tailoring them to your personal needs. Experiment with various settings to find what works best for you. These hand gestures are a game changer for accessibility and convenience, offering a hands-free experience that integrates seamlessly into your daily life. Enjoy the freedom and control they provide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.